Assalamualaikum. This is Abdul Al Siam. My ID number 1923546 Now I would like to talk about compilers basics. First, we know what is a compiler. A compiler is a program that translates a source written in high-level programming language into machine code. The generated machine code can be later executed many times against the different data each time. Then what do compilers produce? Pure machine code. Compilers may generate code for a particular machine, not assuming any operating system or library routines. This is pure code. Then augmented machine code. Commonly, compilers generate code for machine architecture augmented with the operating system routines and runtime language support routines. Then virtual machine code. Its generated code can consist entirely of the virtual instruction. This allows code to run on the variety of the computers. Java with its the JVM Java Virtual Machine is a great example of this approach. Then when do we run a compiler? Prior to the execution, we compile a program once, then use it repeatedly. Then it at the start of the execution. A program may be partially compiled, they completed with the values set at the execution time. That then during execution, unused code need not be compiled. Then after execution, which can be optimized for later runs. Then impacts on the compiler. The compilers minimize the execution overhead of the program in a high-level language. This promotes the use of the high-level language. Then compiler improves the performance, the computer architecture on the user application. And a compiler must translate correctly the infinity set of the program written in the source language. Then compiler construction tools, scanner generators, parser generator, syntax directed translation engine, code generator representation, data flow analysis engine, and compiler construction toolkits. And at last we see benefits of using compiler. Compiler runs faster than interpreter because it is a pre-compiled package. Hardware optimization is one of the advantages of compiler because compiler translates source into a specific machine language for a target hardware, and compiler gives secured for source code and programs, and it improved productivity and quality. And that's all about my presentation. Thank you.